Now let me show you LS Vision solar camera packages. And this is our package product line. So let me show you how we do design for the box. And firstly, you see all the package. The box we use the best materials, best quality materials for protection the shipment. During the far away shipment, it can safety to your side. And secondly, you see, and we design the package by LS Vision. Each one we use for these models only. And you can do OEM and ODM. Put your logo here. So LS Vision can do OEM and ODM for your business. So if you have the inquiry for the solar cameras, welcome to contact with LS Vision. Thank you.